Yeah, this is Jessica.
Hi guys.
Yeah, I didn't get to meet How's it going?
Yeah, I was passed out because I worked that time.
Hey, I don't blame you. That day was busted. Put the longer lead ones over here. I don't want to get all y'all today. They're slowing down.
Is anybody gonna sit up there with these trays, or can
You're good. They're
pull
good.
them back?
I don't think anybody's claimed anything yet.
Where the four-wheeler is.
Single. That's a buffer bed. That's a Drake. Oh. That's a merganser. That's a merganser. Yeah, that's a hoodie. Are you sure that looks like a buffer? No, it's a hoodie. It's a merganser. It's a merganser.
Hey, no! Fetch one of those ducks up.
It took me.
Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Are you for real? Get him! Oh, there you go.
No!
You for real? Get that bird. We spare no birds. I was like, he's gonna get away. Oh shoot. I've got two so far.
I pulled the trigger on thing about the time I pulled the trigger.
Good shot! Oh, dude! There you go, get it, there you go.
Push! Not a duck!
At least she knows her decoys. At least she doesn't bring.
Right? There's my merganser and then my other bird on this side of the pond. Here it comes, here it comes.
Ooh, it's a full shot.
He's turning.
He's thinking about it.
He's turning. He'll come on y'all's side. Y'all better get that. Yeah. He's far. Get him. There you go. Finish him. Yep. Finish him off. You got this. He's coming right at you. Good turn. Careful, little whiff. Oh, he's far. I didn't even shoot.
I just heard get him.
Release.
Here he comes. Check if he comes around, pop him.
Get him. Oh, there's a kicker.
Where?
Get it!
There's the flag. We
Fetch it up.
should have let that. We should have let that one land.
Coffee and a good morning. There's
I can't make a shot.
Sit up.
Morning.
Say your name.
Gatlin.
Gatlin.
Shantz with an S.
Come on.
It's coming your way, babe.
No, they're going right across. Yeah.
Get it.
It'd be so cool.
What the heck is that? It's another water turkey.
Come on. Circle back around.
Bucklehead right there, wasn't he?
They're too big. They're coming back.
Jake, get ready. Dude, they're gonna come right in front of us. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
There's that sand hill.
Yeah. No. No, they landed.
There's one still swimming.
That's a pair. Yeah.
The sun's up pretty far.
Yeah.
Bullet buried over here.
About to go swimming? Go swimming, Jake.
Clap your arms, Jake. Clap your arms. Pop the sticker.
There's two out there. Oh, they were in the water?
That's your mallard?
That was a redhead, wasn't it?
I got him.
I don't think that was a redhead.
I think that's
The wedging, ain't it?
No, what do you call them?
that's what I call a good shoot.
Where the hell did you
That's a long shot too. Got him. I hope. Yeah, but we may have lost. I mean, there's some we may have missed some over there. That'll be my first limit of the year if I get one more bird. I'm pumped.
He's a napper.
I'm wind breaking. I'm letting the wind go over.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Kobe. I'm Gatlin's dad.
Nice to meet you. Introduce yourself.
I'm Bruce.
One's on top.
She got that one.
She's swimming a long ways for it. Y'all take notes because Reyes knows how to take pictures. You put your ugly birds on the bottom. And then you put your pretty ones on top. And then like that duffel head, you put them on the very top. Chance, it's all you, buddy.
Duck and cover. Duck and cover.
My leg is stuck.
Get it? Duck.
Really? Not pretty bad. Dang it. You got everything? Yeah! Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion to today's video. Glad you could come with us. We got the gang here. I'll link them all on my Instagram when I tag them later. It's been a great weekend. We will see you on the next episode. Hopefully we'll get 1 or 2 more videos from duck hunting, but odds are we're gonna go straight to bass fishing, so catch you on the flip side.